Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to show you how to automate the challenges that are provided on this Elements web page of this Let Code application. Here, the challenge is all about automating different type of web elements. It can be images, etc., etc. Okay, so let's get started without any delay. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE. And here in the Eclipse IDE, under this package, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as elements demo. Okay, elements demo class with main method. Click on finish. Okay, it will be created like this. And inside this main method, I'm going to write the automation code. So far, we have automated a lot of challenges from this application. If you can see my previous sessions, you can already see that input is automated, this button challenge is automated, select challenge is all automated, alert challenge is automated, then frame challenge is automated, radio challenge automated, window is automated. Now we are at elements. Apart from this application, we have also automated different applications. The videos of this you can see in the previous series. Okay, fine. Now, the thing here is before going ahead about automating this, here what we have to do is let's understand what need to be automated first. Okay, according to the instructions, what need to be automated on this page, we have to understand. So by automating this, whatever the instructions write, our confidence levels in Selenium automation will increase. So first we have to type and enter our Git username. If you have a GitHub account and you have the username available, you can enter that. While automating, I'll enter my email address. And after that, email address or username I have to enter, not email address. Username of the GitHub account I have to enter. After entering the username of the GitHub account and clicking on search, there will be an image of my image will be coming. GitHub account image, whatever I provided, that image will come. And here we have to verify whether that particular image exists on the page or not. Okay. So in the result, we got the image or not. That image existence we have to verify. And we have to print the username and other information. Along with the image, we also get the username of the GitHub and also the other information related to GitHub. Everything we have to verify as part of the automation that they are coming or not. And after that, we have to assert the number of public repositories. Okay. In the search results, along with the image and username and other information, how many public repositories this particular user has posted so far on the GitHub account. That number will be given by this application. At same time, the list of that links will be there. That number and the number of links, GitHub public repository links should match. That also we have to automate. So without any delay, let's automate this one. And before automating this, guys, a small thing from my side that just join our Telegram group for such kind of useful information in the coming days, guys. And you see here, we will give a lot of challenges. Okay. Today's research topic for everyone. And we give trainings, we conduct a lot of webinars, and we do a lot of stuff, guys. Okay. We do a lot of free things here. We conduct some quizzes and we share a lot of useful information on this channel. And if you want to join this Telegram channel, you have to type t.me/QFox, which is my channel name or which is my company name, and followed by original. Okay, QFox original, t.me/QFox original. When you click on that link, or when you browse this link in any browser like this, for example, t.me/QFox original. If you type this and press enter, the browser will ask you to join open Telegram desk. If you already have installed Telegram app in your machine, it will ask you to open the Telegram. If not, it will ask you to install. So once you open in Telegram, you'll be part of this group, guys. Okay, you'll be part of this group and you'll get all the benefits of this group. So for our upcoming updates and whatever the things that we are doing for the community, if you want to know, okay, this group you have to join, guys. And also we conduct a lot of trainings here, and they are like service oriented trainings, which are for less price. We are giving a lot of knowledge and a lot of initiatives we are doing to make you guys from zero to hero. From scratch, we'll take you to the hero level. For that kind of updates of batches or whatever it is, along with the useful stuff that we are sharing here, you can join this Telegram group, and also you can contact this person Javed and all to get yourself enrolled in these courses. Okay, fine. So And after that, let's get started without any delay. That's a Telegram group, guys, that you have to join. And now you can, okay, see this and what I'm trying to do to write the Selenium automation to code in order to automate this elements thing. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE and here write down driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, I'll write this code and put a Control Shift O. When you press Control Shift O in the Eclipse side, it will automatically import the WebDriver interface from Selenium library. It automatically import the Chrome driver class from Selenium library. After that, I have to maximize the browser window. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then we have to say driver dot get. Okay, driver dot get. Copy this URL and paste it here. Once you open the application URL here, the next thing that we have to do is we have to enter the GitHub username here. Okay, after that we have to assert that image has appeared, the name of the user has appeared, and other information related to the GitHub account user has been appeared. After that we have to verify how many repositories that is displaying and whether the list of that repositories are being displayed or not. So my GitHub account username, okay, is Arun Motori. I would like to type Arun Motori here, guys. Okay, using automation I will type this, don't worry. And you have to click on the search button and my image will come, my name will come, my place will come, and my details will come. And also it will display this public repositories. Public repos has 44. And here also I need to get 44 links. But as you can see visually here, 30 only links are coming instead of 44. There's a mismatch. The test should fail. Partially the test will pass, but something will fail. Okay. So anyhow, that's okay. Whether the test will pass or doesn't matter. But how to automate this is something that I'm going to show you first. Okay. So in your for my GitHub account, it's definitely failing because it's showing 44, but it's displaying 44 as account, but displaying only 30 links. So there is a defect or bug in that case. We don't know, but we'll try to automate this and try to report that. Try to fail the test if that is not matching. To get started, I have to enter the username of my GitHub account here. Right click, inspect this. Right click, inspect this. Once I right click, inspect this text field, you will get this name as a username. I think name locator we can use. And here I'll write down driver dot find element by dot name and provide the name locator. Provide the name locator and put a semicolon here, find element and create a web element here. That is the username field I'll write down. Okay, username field. Hold the mouse on this username field and create a local variable. That is a web element will be created. Into the username field, I have to enter my username of GitHub account. Send keys. Using the send keys command, I'll enter my username. That is my username for GitHub account is Arun Motori. I will enter. Okay. And then after this, I need to click on the search button. I'll inspect this. And here ID is coming, guys. For search button, ID is coming. So I just need to click on search button. Driver dot find element by dot ID. Here provide okay, this is search button, right? Search button is equal to like this, you write is equal to search button web element. Hover the mouse on this and create a web element and copy this and click on the search button. The search button also will be clicked. Okay, search button also will be clicked. Here Arun Motori will be entered and then search button will be clicked. The moment we click on that, the next the thing that we have to do here is we have to verify whether the image has come or not. I'll inspect this image. Generally, image in HTML will have img tag. Okay, img is rounded placeholder image. Okay, with this particular text image is coming or not, we can check. Control F /img. How many images are there? There are 23 images. I don't want to verify all the 23 images whether this my profile image is coming for GitHub account or not. I have to verify. For that reason, I have to make it more unique. So here, how to verify that image is coming? I have to say alt placeholder image is the text that I will take. So I'll just write down here @alt is equal to @alt is equal to placeholder image and press enter. You see that image placeholder image is coming or not? We can check with the help of alt text. Okay, that is looks like unique for me. So or we can go with the figure and there's another way also / figure / img. How many are coming? Only one image is coming. This is also another way. Okay. under figure img tag is there or not. If that is means, definitely there is one image that is coming. Okay. So that image is being displayed or not, we have to verify. We have to verify whether the image is displayed after I click on the search button. The moment you click on the search button, so I'll just go back here and I'll go to the elements and I'll enter my Arun Moturi as the username and click on search button without the page loading. If you observe here, when I click on this search, without the page loading, the image is coming. That means it is an asynchronous call happening. With page loading means Selenium will wait for the image to come, because page loads image will come and then will perform the operation. But this time, when I click on the search button without the page loading, image is coming. You see, if I do something here, without the page getting loading, the details are coming. So it's better that I wait for this image to come before I verify that image exists. Okay. I give some waiting mechanism here. Maybe the image display and this information may be fast, but still I have to wait for that. Okay. So let's wait for that. For that, I'll write WebDriver wait. Okay. Wait is equal to new WebDriver wait. For asynchronous thing, we have to implement WebDriver wait. Control Shift O, and then here driver comma duration dot of seconds, and give maximum of 10 seconds. That is very generic. And write down wait dot until expected conditions dot visibility of element located. Carefully choose this method, located by dot xpath. Give the xpath expression of that image by dot xpath. Give the XPath expression of that image. Okay, this is the XPath double slash figure and slash image. Okay, only one element is getting located, and that is nothing but this image. Copy this and paste it here and put a semicolon here. And after that, what you have to do? This until method will return you the web element of that image. Okay, GitHub image, GitHub git image or GitHub image, whatever you want to write, you can write over the mouse. Create local variable. I have to verify whether this image has come or not. So for that, I'll write testng assertions, guys. Okay. Here I'll not use the main method anymore. I'll use the testng methods public void. Here I'll say verify git user details. Okay. Verify elements. Git elements or verify elements, I'll say. Otherwise, okay. Verify elements. Verify elements test1 I'll say. Just give some random name, verify elements test1 like this. You don't have to pass any arguments here. Okay, so I'll just remove this. I'll remove this, and here I have to verify, and I have to put this at the rate testng add-on for the Eclipse side is already installed in this as part of the previous sessions. Okay, when I was answering all your when I was demonstrating previous automation, practice automation here, things, right? Different scenarios or test cases. I've already installed testng. So go back if you don't know how to install testng, start from the beginning. And also the testng library is also there added to the form.xml file along with the Selenium library in this project. So I can directly hover the mouse on @test and import it. And you see testng test got created. And now I'll get the assertions also from testng assert true. I'll say assert true. Assert true. And here write down git image, whether it is displayed or not. Is displayed, I'll write. Okay, if it is there on the page means one of the tests. We are verifying whether the image is present on the page or not. That is done. Next thing is what? Once I verify this, I also have to verify the my name, the place, and the about me, like that I have to verify. I'll inspect this text and see if I can. Yeah, this is HTML code for that, and title is 4 is coming. Copy this. Title is 4 will contain my name. Control F /P class is equal to give that class. You see, that will contain my text. If you retrieve the text, it should contain my. So here, string, here before only I'll write string expected name should be Arun, the same motor. Okay, this should be the expected. I am expecting because that is my username, right, that I'm entering into the search box field. So actual should be string. How to get the actual name that is coming when you click on the search button here, how you're getting that. How can you get that? Driver dot find element by dot give the XPath expression and provide the XPath expression /p and simply say dot get text. Okay, get text command you write down that will retrieve the actual name. Now I have to verify both are same or not. Assert dot assert equals assert dot assert equals assert dot assert equals you write down equals assert dot assert equals uh yeah string actual string expected. This side we have right side we have to get expected. So expected will come here, actual will come here. So if both are matching, then the second check will pass and the test also will pass. Okay. If any of these verifications from assertions fail, the test will ultimately fail, guys. This particular test and the test will ultimately fail. Now, third thing is that I have to verify the proper location is coming or not. I am from Hyderabad, should come as Hyderabad. Here, copy this class here and simply provide this class instead. The remaining XPath is same, but only the class attribute value is different. So we have to retrieve this Hyderabad. Before this copying this, I have to write here string expected location is equal to Hyderabad, sorry, Hyderabad. So IDERABAD, Hyderabad. And actual location is what? String actual location that is being displayed on the pages. Driver.find element by.xpath. Give the XPath expression of the actual uh, that web element and say dot get text here. The get text will retrieve the text between the tags of that actual location. Now again, the same thing should happen. This expected location and actual location should match. So assert dot assert equals here go with the string kind of stuff, guys. String kind of stuff. You go with assert dot assert equals where is that assert dot assert equals string actual string expected should be there. Yeah, this is the one. So actual location, expected location came automatically. I don't have to copy paste. It understands. Okay, Clipside is very smart. The next thing is that we have to verify whether this particular text is coming. This is actual text found rate should come. Actual about text. Okay, something like this. Okay, found rate should come. So what is expected that is coming? We'll inspect that and see span under span is there under the due tag media content. Copy this. Control F /div @class is equal to write down media content / span you write down. Here only one element is coming. In between the span tags, we can get the text. Okay, copy this XPath expression and using Selenium automation, string actual about is equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Give the XPath expression of that about section or about information, and simply at the end you have to say to get the text between the tags of the element get text. And now write down. Okay, this is expected about, guys, not actual about. This is expected. Whatever you are expecting, this is actually coming from Selenium automation script. Assert dot assert equals again, and write down string kind of stuff. String. Where is the string? Okay, then expected about, actual about. Okay, we'll write down that. And next thing is I need to retrieve this number whatever that is displaying. I have to count how many links are coming here, how many hyperlinks are coming in this list, and they should match with 44 number when I count. I'll inspect this to retrieve that 44. Tags is info is coming here and a span tag is there. Okay, control F /span @class is equal to. I will give the class and see how many elements are coming. 3 elements are coming, guys. Okay. So what are the 3 elements? 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, let's go with 1. 1 is nothing but this one. I can provide circular brackets here. Three elements are there. I can provide circular brackets and put 1 here. It will locate only one element, that is 44. That is there between the tags. So I'll using this XPath expression, I can actual number that is coming, actual 44 number that is coming now, that I can string. Yeah, what we can do here is yeah. So I have to retrieve this, right? I have to retrieve this 44. So for that, I have to write driver.find element by.xpath, give the XPath expression, and give the XPath expression of that public repos number dot get text you say directly. It will retrieve the text. So here string will come, guys. Here string will come. Here string will come. String public repo number. Okay, repos number. Otherwise, public repos number. Once I say public repos number, I have to count manually now how many actual public repos are being displayed here. Total 30 only coming, but here they are saying 44. Let's inspect this and because things may not work correctly, right? So when I inspect that, one of the thing anchor tag is coming and under the new tag class with the class content, is there any other thing block app user? No. Git repos. I think this looks good for me. App git repos. Okay. If I hover that, you see only repo section is coming. In that control F double slash app user double slash A you write down. Here you see 30 are coming. This is XPath expression, right? This is locating 30. So this is an XPath expression and simply write down uh, public repo number shown. Okay. And here I'll write down driver dot find elements I have to use to count the number of links that are coming because of that XPath. Give the XPath expression which is locating all the links that whatever the links are there. And here can directly this will return you the repo links. Repo links is equal to total repo links that are displayed. Okay, displayed repo links I'll say. Otherwise I'll say displayed repository links. Okay, GitHub repo links. Whatever the number shown is 44, but how many displayed GitHub public repos being displayed? To count this number, I have to write down displayed repo links dot size. This method of collections will get you the size, but this size will come in integer format. But here public repos number is in numerical format. So what I will do here is I'll write some logic, guys. I'll write some logic. Displayed repo links number is equal to. Okay, after that, I have to convert this. I have to convert this, guys. I have to convert this dot get text, right? I have to convert this, copy this, and I have to convert this string into integer number. So for that to happen, or this integer number into string, any of the things you have to convert. So I'll convert this string into integer that because that 44 in double quotes can be convertible, right? Because it is in string format. Whatever the 44 that you are retrieving from here is in double quotes. Okay, it's retrieving get text command will retrieve in the string format in double quotes. So otherwise I can convert this into string or that one into number, but I'll try to convert this into number so that I can compare two numbers here. So for that, I have to convert into the number integer dot parse int I have to use. Parse int of string I have to give. Which string? This string, public repos number shown string. Okay. So here I'll write public repos number. Okay. Public repos number. I'll say forward the mouse and say create integer will come. Now I can compare them because both are in integer format. I can compare them. Assert dot assert equals assert dot assert. I have to type it again. Assert dot assert equals and int should come. Int should come. Int actual int expected is there. Now this one you have to take this time. And public repo numbers is there here. Links number is there. Just cross check once. Even though Eclipse ID adds, still we have to confirm that. I think these are the things that we have to do, guys. If you go back here and click on the elements here and see what is happening, type and enter your Git name. We have done that. Click on the search button. Okay. Then assert the user has an image. We have asserted that. And print the username and other information. Assert that number of public repositories are listed correctly. I think that is the only thing why we have to use enhanced for loop. I don't know. If you want to open each and every link, if assert that number of are listed correctly, if as in 10 in the actual 40 in the list 10 should be available. Okay, but if you want to print all the for example, if you want to do something extra after verifying this, if you want to print all the GitHub repo links that are coming there, if you want to print all the complete whatever the list of repo links coming, right, that if you want to print, what we can do is here already we created driver.find elements displayed repo links, right? For each and every repo link, per I'll say repo link. For each and every repo link is of which type? Web element type. Okay, web element. repo link colon displayed repo links. Okay, displayed repo links. Like this, I'll write a for each loop. And here I have to get the text. Get what? If I inspect, I have to get this URL, right? I have to get the URL of every link. Inspect that. You'll see the anchor tag. In the anchor tag, we'll have href tag. In the href tag, we'll have that link. You see ABCD repo, ABC repo, and July project repo, batch one crash course repo. Okay, this value is coming in the href attribute. So we can do one thing. What is that? Is system.out.println, system.out.println repo link dot, instead of get text we have to say get attribute here, get attribute of, here we have to provide the attribute name from which you want to get that value that is there in the href attribute. Copy this href attribute here, copy this href attribute only, and just print it out here. That's it. It will print all the things. Whatever the challenges are there, I'm doing behind that because here they're asking us to use find elements. Already list of elements, a list of elements is already there. Enhanced for loop, validate image, assertions we have used. Okay, I think this one was the only missing enhancer for loop that I have demonstrated here, and we'll retrieve the HTML page. Somehow I managed it. Okay. So here at the end, I'll just write down driver.quit here to close the browser, driver.quit. Okay. This may not close the browser. If the test fails, it will not close the browser. So it's better that here you write down public void setup. You write down public void setup, and here write down at the rate before method. Okay. Before method for setup code. For setup code, you can write the before method. Okay. This method will run before every test method. Test ng test method. Here the common code that you feel right that you write it here. For now, this is a common code I feel, and make this global. Otherwise, you'll not be able to access. Is equal to null usage is equal to null, and inside this remove the double declaration. And after that, write one more thing, that is one more method, that is public void closure. Okay, whether the test passes or fails, it will tear down or closure, whatever you want to write, you can write here at the rate after method you write. And in the after method, I'll write simply import this and write down this line driver.quit. I made the driver global. Okay, I declared this web driver global, so it's possible now. All the methods can access. Okay, it is a class level global variable now, so it can be accessed all throughout all the class methods. Now here, before this script starts, open the Chrome browser, maximize the browser, open the application URL, and this thing is already there in the setup code. I will remove that. And it will enter the username, click on the search button. This is how we have to write the automation script. And at the end of the script, it will, no matter whether test passes or fall, any assertions passes or fails. Assertions, when they fail, right, they will stop the execution of the script, right? So it's, there's a possibility that things may not happen. So I'll just put this code before. Okay, I'll verify the count later, but before that, I'll print all the things, and I would like to, verify this whether that is happening. 44 is equal to 30 will fail actually. That's the reason I'm putting this code so that we can at least get this links printed. And the test may fail because, here displayed repo links is being displayed as 40, but total links that are being displayed on the page are coming as 30. The mismatch may happen and the test may fail. Whether the test will pass or fail, after method will be executed and the browser will close. Now let me run the test. Let me run the test here. Run option is there. Just click on the run option and just see what's happening now. Just see what is happening. Just see what is happening. Open the browser. Then it has to enter my username of GitHub. Click on search. It has to verify the images, all this information, 44. And number of links should match. Don't know what is happening. The browser is not, browser got closed. That means it's working fine. The test has failed. I told you, right? Already the test will fail because that 44 is there on the, okay, here 44 is coming, but number of links is coming as 30. So 30 is not equal to 44. So one of the assertion will fail for sure. So let's see how it has been worked so far. So or is it working out or not? Let's see. Here you see verify test one and where exactly it is failing, guys. Waiting for visibility of element located by figure image, right, for 10 seconds with 500, but it has not come. That image itself has not come, guys. There itself the test has failed somehow. So it has waited for 10 seconds but didn't come. What may be the problem, guys? What may be the problem? So once I click on the search button, I'm verifying whether this image exists or not. So image is there, figure is there, image is there, but I don't know why it is not able to wait for that and figure it out. So let's see what's going wrong here. Where is WebDriver wait? Here I am writing very visibility of element located by dot.x. Okay, this is double forward slash, guys. One single slash is missing. That's the reason it is not working, but otherwise it would have worked. Let's run the script again. You can right click and run as a test ng test also. It's fine. Only one test is there now. You don't have to specifically choose a test. Just run it now. This time it should work because last time I gave a wrong XPath expression. I missed one single forward slash there. Let's see what will happen here. Let's see what will happen. Let the page load. Selenium will not do anything until the page loads completely. Once the page loads, it will enter my GitHub username into that text box field and click on the search button. Then it will wait for the image to be appeared, and after that, it will verify all the other stuff. The page is still loading. Until the page loads, Selenium will not do any other operation. Okay. Only for asynchronous activities without the page loading, right? For only we have to take care of. You see, this time it's kind of good. It seems whatever it has to be failed for, it has failed. So just see here, all the other verifications have been passed. I'm not getting any other failures, means all the other assertions have been passed. Here we are asserting that expected image is coming, image is being displayed, that is asserted, that is working fine. Then actual name and expected name are working fine. Actual location and expected location, Hyderabad, are working fine. Actual about and expected about found at qfox.com is also working fine. Now here for each loop, all the links has to be, all the 30 links, 44 links it is saying, application is saying that 44 public repo links, but here only 30 are there. Let's see how many are getting printed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Total 30 links has been retrieved and printed. So here 44 is expected, 44 is actually shown on the application, but found 30 only. That's the reason the assertion is failing. Because of that, test.ng test got failed. You can go to the test.ng results and see the same thing. Expected 44 GitHub repo links, but found only 30. That is the reason we have to fail the test. That's correct only, no matter what setup code is running before the test, and no matter whether the test will pass or fail, the after method code, that is driver.quit, is closing the browser even after the test got failed here. Even after the test got failed, the browser got closed. This is the purpose of the after method. Okay. If the test passes, then driver.quit, if you write here, it will work. But when the test fails, it will stop the test, and browser will not close. So it's better you write in the after method to get rid of that problem. Okay. Fine. That's also done, guys. That's also done. Next is what we are done with this, and this how we have to automate this. We have successfully completed the challenge, even though the test is failing, because here 44 is there, 30 is coming here, 40, 44, 44. They should match. Otherwise, then matching only means test will pass. If 44 is there, here only 30 GitHub repo public links are coming, means we have to fail the test. Okay, there is a defect in this application, and we have to report the defect and get that particular fix. And later, when you run the script, the test may pass. Okay, after the developers fix this particular defect where 44 is there, means 44 links should come. Let's go to the actual GitHub account of mine, github.com of mine, and see how many repositories are really there. Okay, just click on this profile icon. I will know this. You will not be able to know that your repositories are there. Total, how many are there? Let's find it out. Total 44 are there, guys. Okay, total 44 GitHub repositories are there. And type public repositories. Let me search how many are there. 44 results are coming. But here, this application is not showing us 33. That's the problem. Here only 30 are being displayed instead of 44. That is a bug in the application. We have to report that. So the developer of this particular application have to fix the bug. And once the developer of this particular application fixes the bug, when you run the script again, the test will pass. So we have to, as a test automation script is failing, we have to report a defect as a software testers. Okay. So with this, guys, with this note, I have completed this. We have completed this, guys. Okay. So that's all for this session. We have successfully automated another challenge on this let code application. In the next sessions, we'll try to automate this drag, drop, sort, multi-select, and so on in the coming sessions. Okay. I'll try to automate as many as possible in the coming days. But for now, this is the thing. So I'll close all the stuff. I'll upload this code and provide in the description of this video. You can take the code from there. Okay. So that's all, guys. This is how we can automate the real challenges on real-time applications using Selenium Java Automation. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.